Okay, today we're out on number 9. I want to talk to you about Rule 27, or out of bounds. So here you see right in front of me a white stake, and then down about 30 yards is another white stake. How you know if your ball is out of bounds is you're going to draw like an imaginary line from one stake straight down to the other. And the important part of that is it's a straight line. It doesn't meander. It's one stake right down to the other. So then you can see here my ball is completely on the other side of that imaginary line, so therefore I'm out of bounds. Now the penalty for being out of bounds is stroke and distance. So I'm going to take a one-stroke penalty and then replay my last shot from where I hit it originally. So if I hit my tee shot out of bounds, I'm going to hit another tee shot, and now I'm hitting my third shot from there. Now if you think your ball might have gone out of bounds when you first hit it, well, you can do what's called a provisional ball. So what you'll do is you'll put another ball in play, usually a different number or some other different markings so that you can tell the difference, and then you'll play that one until you can find out if your other ball was out of play or not. If your first ball is out of play, you continue to play the provisional ball with the stroke penalty. If your first ball was in play, you pick up the provisional and then you play your original ball as it was. Now, the important thing to remember is that that ball has to be completely on the other side of the line. If any part of that ball is touching that imaginary line or still in play completely, then you just play it as is. It's in bounds at that point. Okay? Now, the other thing is if your ball is pretty far away or you think it might be lost, you can search for your ball, but do limit those searches to about 3 to 5 minutes, just in the interest of time. Rules of golf give you 5, but as a kind of pace of play thing, let's try to keep those to 3 if we can. Now, there is one other situation where we might not have it marked, and that's on private property lines. We're going to go take a look at that right now. All right, so now we've got a little bit of a different situation. As you can see here, my ball is on the other side of this fence, and it's actually in someone's yard, their private property. So you can see here I've got a white stake again, but then beyond this point there's no more white stakes. So instead we use this fence as a guide for a boundary. Another example of that is on hole number 12. We have a sidewalk that runs along the street on the right-hand side of the hole. In that case, that's our boundary there. So it's really important to remember that this is private property, and if I even reach in to grab my ball, it's trespassing. So go ahead and leave your ball there. Don't walk onto someone's property. It's important also to remember that while no one ever tries to purposely hit anybody's house, if you do hit someone's house and you think you may have caused damage, you probably should go up, let them know, and then work it out between each other. It's the golfer's liability at that point if you do cause damage to someone's house. So again, same rules apply. I'm going to take my stroke and distance, one more penalty stroke, replay my last shot, and go on from there. Hope this clears up a few questions about out of bounds, private property, and things like that. We'll see you next time.